Hello friends, welcome to Jet Students. So in this video you will got to know how to crack the Copado robotic testing certification, and I will also explain you what is CRT and how it could help you in your current job, and if you are looking for a Copado robotic testing certification and get into the testing industry. So this is one of the most leading certification that currently in market the people are looking for. So stay tuned with me, and I will let you know about each and everything step by step. Okay, so let's move. So let's move to the Copado. So let's move to the Copado website. So I have opened the Copado website. So this is the Copado website, and how you could get everything in touch. Let me explain you step by step. So what you can do that you can go to the learning part. So in the learning you will have a lot of options over here. So let me go to the straightforward to the Copado sign up learning. Copado learning, and here you will see everything related to the Copado. So since I have already done the registration part, so you can also do it. So it's a very small process. You just click on sign up button and you will put all the uh, details like you are an individual, right? First name, last name, everything. So it will help you to create your account. So since I've already done that, so let me do that. So all right, so we have already logged in with the Copado Academy. So it will have a lot of training courses are there like Copado AI certification trail, fundamentals of format pipeline certification trail, and robotic testing. So many things are there. So in this session, since we talk generally about the CRT part, so we will talk about this one only. So once you click on this link, it will give you everything details about the training certification. So first you can get a free training from here. So each training module, there are like 5 modules are there. The modules are very easy. You just need to add this and complete each and every section as per the questions that they have asked. And it will have a mostly about one to like a quiz question. And once you are done with this part, then you have to make sure that you have to add this everything in your cart. So let me talk about the cart part, how you can do that. So let's suppose if I want to take this course, I need to add this to cart. And once you click on add cart, you have to go to cart, and here you will get the link to add this as a cart. So you can either you can just check out and do the payment, or else I will show you in the last module of this session that how you can get a free coupon of $250 for free. So which I will talk about in the later part. So resuming where we left, so here you can learn about what is Copado, what is the branching strategies, everything related to Copado pipeline you can understand from here. So there are a lot of certifications are there. Each certification cost about $250. So basically what happens that Copado provide two things. The first thing is that you can do the testing part. Second is it provides mainly about the DevOps operations. You can do any kind of deployment with the help of Copado. So it is one of the most leading thing which is right now in with Salesforce, and it also with other platforms it also supports. But I think for the Salesforce it has the most good reviews in today's market. So talking in next about the next section of our slides. So let's move to the next slide, and in this slide I will just let you know about the CRT. So how you can get what is basically a CRT. You already aware that CRT is basically a AI powered test automation tool for Salesforce. You can automate UI, you can automate regression testing, you can do smoke testing. It's kind of a low code no code tool. You have heard about many tools like there are like Prover, there is Tricentis, Tosca Testing, and Accelerate QA. So many tools are there. So one of the tools is this Copado. Since this tool is very less in terms of pricing in comparison to other tool, I think it's about $1 per user per month. So most of the clients think that Copado is one of the best tool for the testing purpose. So you can use this one. Plus there are few things are there like roboto testing is there. So you will have a lot of small robots are there for each and every task. So which I will explain you, and when I will make a separate session, you can check it out. So there you will see that how you can work on Copado robotic testing, how you can uh, design your framework and achieve all this. So why somebody should get this certification? So basically, if you are in a SDET role or if you are in a QA profile and trying to stand out from others, so definitely you should get this certification, because these days you have a very good skills, that's a different story, but your resume could not be selected if you do not have a certifications. So I always say that get a lot of certification. If you have seen in LinkedIn, there are a lot of people who have 10 to 20 certifications. So that's why the certifications opens your doors for the SDET role or the QA lead roles. And since it has a Copado is one of the leading partner with Salesforce, so this certification is a must. Now talking about the CRT exam part. So as I told you, uh, I already shared you the academic part that you where you can get the training. But if you talk about the exam, so exams is fundamentally divided in this five sections. The first you would be asked about the 22% of the CRT fundamentals, mostly about what is Copado, how does it works, QA frameworks, robotic testing. So don't worry about the robot part. It's just a terminology that they have used. It's basically a lot of automated process that can uh, that a module could do. That's what the robot is all about. And they are like they just name it as a robot. So don't get worried about what this robot thing is there in terms of AI and everything. So you can the second module is about the robot creation. So it will ask you about 20% of the questions from that, like how the element ID is getting created, action and keywords, building robots. Kind of same like if you have worked like in any automation tools where you have learned about the finding locators and each and everything. That is what they are asking about. The third thing is about the execution. So let's suppose that if you have to execute that particular robot, so in order to execute it you need to schedule it first, and in the scheduling part you have to do a lot of configuration changes, like the setting up the environment, setting up the your sandboxes, and making sure the test data is ready, what actions you are going to perform. So these things are done in the test execution part. And fourth is the CI/CD integration, as the name suggests. So you have to make sure that once your code has been executed, it should run with the CI/CD pipeline, and the result analysis of the report should be there. And finally, the 20% of questions come from the reporting and maintenance part, which is about the dashboard, the failures, and best practices which Copado provides you. So these are the things are in there with the CRT exam topics and the domain. Now, how could you prepare for this examination? So as I told you, the first thing is that you can go to the Copado trailhead and docs. Second is that you can go with the hands-on practice, and third is that you can go and learn a lot of YouTube channels. There are a lot of YouTube channels are there. You can go and learn about the Copado part. And the exam strategy is that there would be only 60 questions. You have to answer it in 60 multiple choice questions. So you can book it from there. So this is the everything about. Now talking about the one of the important thing of this session, that how you could get this $250, like each exam is $250, right? So if you talk about the CRT part, how you could get this for free. So I'm revealing the coupon. So basically, if you use this particular coupon, Copado CRT 2026. Sorry, let me get back to the slide. Yeah. So if you put this coupon, and then your $250 exam would be free. So it's a limited time thing, and I think you should definitely go and add this certification, because right now Copado is providing this. And why why should you we should save our money. Don't put your hard work and money on free certifications if you have free certifications available. So you can do that. So this is the voucher code reveal that I have for you guys. So don't forget to get this done, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if this certification has helped you in any way. And please mention in the comment section if you are able to get this certification or not. I would be happy if I got to know that you guys have got something, and it will help me and motivate me to bring more videos like this, and so that you guys can get more certification and and get ahead in this AI game. Thank you so much. Stay tuned and take care.